Oh no, the cat is out.
The cat is...
No, no. See, what is Yeti spaghetti? Oh my god! Are those real spaghetti?
In the box is Yeti.
And?
Spaghetti.
And?
Bowl.
How do you say bowl in Italian?
And I got Yeti out.
You got the Yeti out? Is it?
It doesn't go in the bowl.
It shouldn't go in a bowl. How does this game work?
When you put the spaghetti in there, we put the Yeti, then we pull out the spaghetti, and the Yeti can't do this. Fall in the bowl. It can't fall in the bowl.
How do you say fall in Italian?
Got it.
How do you say mouth in Italian?
Look at it. And spaghetti is pasta.
No, spaghetti is spaghetti. It's the shape of pasta.
But it needs to be full, so the Yeti doesn't fall when you just put
Yeah,
it.
and you have to put it like from one side to the other, guys. Like that. See?
Everyone,
Not in the bowl, like that. Okay, now one each. Yeah, that was a smart move.
it needs to be under.
No, it needs to be a spaghetti. Get it? Get it? Now you touch it, you have to get it.
No, don't pick that one. I'll show you which one.
No, don't help me, but this is like,
This one.
this is Jacob
Over
against...
the leg. Look, over the leg. See? No.
Oh my god, it's almost falling in. If it's going to touch, you lose.
It's going to touch the ground, you lose.
No, if it's not...
But not the side
Even
of
the
the ball.
side, yes, the side. If it touches the ball, it's in the ball. With the Yeti eat. Ah! Ah!
Jacob!
No, you did. You touched. Second round, round 2. The Yeti touched. So Jacob, I understand. So Jacob won the first round. You got, I understand. No.
Jacob touched the version I didn't see. But Yetis love spaghettis. I got one. I got one. Want to pick another? Under the leg.
Okay, now number 2. You lost again. Why would you take it under this leg? So, Jacob is 2 points, Robert is 0. I thought that this game would be forever and ever, but you guys managed to lose so quickly. So quickly. No, why do you take it under? Take the one that is not under.
I took it under the leg.
Why would you?
Wait, this one. It's under the spaghetti. How about this one?
Adversary and almost losing because the Yeti is almost done again. How do you say Italian?
Mangiare.
And eat is.
Mangia.
And now Jacob lost. Oh my god. 3 games. Do we do another couple of games really quick?
Yeah.
We are gonna do out of 5. Yeah, he did. He did. We all saw it. We all saw it.
Wait, what if the Yeti?
Okay, let's go. Put the Yeti. Let's put the Yeti on again. And let's do
First,
another
he needs to
round.
eat some. I'm not. Go.
Whoa! Have you done? Oh no, the cat is out.
The cat is
No, no. How do you say cat in Italian?
gatto.
No, you got 1 point because the first one was tied. Now you got 2 points because you
No,
fell
it's
in.
not cheating.
What are you talking about? Look at that. It's smashed in the ball.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's cheating.
What do you mean it's cheating? You lost.
Yeah, but you can't get points when somebody loses.
What are you talking about? Yes, you win. How do you say have in Italian?
Pesante.
Okay, so let's just put, I think.
This is not even a pound.
So it's leggero. Leggero means
Light.
yes. Okay, if Jacob is going to win this, we have to have the last one. Okay, so it means it's Jacob lost.
I win!
You wanna go still?
No! We got millions and millions. Papa,
But anyway, you won, Robert. You
No.
won this challenge. This is just.
Kiki, go! Go! Your turn!
Okay, who lost? Robert, so you won them all. No, you said that who loses wins them all. So you won everything before. Plus you lost, so you definitely won the challenge.
Thanks for